Hey guys, welcome back to SGM Creations and Tutorials. This one is my DIY fashion accessories. Look at this. This is a fashion earrings. This is made from the bottle caps of the L'Oreal shampoo. And this is now the transformation of the bottle caps from the L'Oreal El Pedal shampoo. And this is the shampoo and the bottle caps from this shampoo, from the bottle caps here. So this is the bottle caps, and now this is now the transformation. It's already done. This is now the fashion earrings. This is the color for the summer, golden yellow, and it is decorated with crystals, look, and with the use of the adhesive glue. Just cut out the crystal and attach here on the side with the use of the adhesive glue, and also fix here with artificial flower. So that's all guys, and I hope you like this project. And if you are a fashionista, you can try to create your own fashion accessories by using recycled materials. So please click my playlist, how to recycle plastic bottles, and you can find my video tutorials on how I created this project. Just attach a ring and a hook. You can purchase these materials from the jewelry or accessory shop. Okay guys, so this is all for today's vlog. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Please give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share this video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated with all my videos. Don't miss to watch my other videos about my travel vlogs, about my cooking, and many things. Look at this. So this is now the transformation. So give a try. You can try to create your own DIY accessories by just simply take out the bottle caps from your empty bottles of shampoo and remove it from the bottle and just simply decorate it with crystals with the use of the adhesive glue. Or you can decorate any decoration that you have at home. This is very simple project, very instant fashion earrings. Look, this one I just covered on the side with the crystal also to hide the side of this plastic cups. Ayan, maganda na siya. Look. Hindi na siya mukhang basura. So it's already look elegant and fashionable DIY project. Ciao, ciao! Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at suporta sa aking YouTube channel, SGM Creations.